Hey everyone, it's Justin from over at AdminRemix. I wanted to take a few minutes and walk you through the integration that AssetRemix has with Lansweeper. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have our Lansweeper account and our AssetRemix account open. Once we have our AssetRemix account open, we're going to go down here to integrations and select our Lansweeper integrations. Now we do have a walkthrough for you here on what to do. All right, but I'm going to walk through that for you. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is hit copy on this webhook payload URL that you will need. All right, then we're going to go into Lansweeper. All right, we're going to come down here to settings, go to developer tools, and to webhooks. All right, once we are there, we're going to go ahead and create a new webhook. All right, we are going to name this webhook. We are going to paste in our payload URL. We are going to select a cloud application. All right, and then we'll make sure we have the API version also selected. Once we have done that, we're going to scroll down. We're going to select Asset Basic Information and Asset Custom. All right, and then once we have done that, now we can go up here and click Save on the webhooks. All right, once it's done, it will let us know that we have successfully created this webhook.